So I just got this guitar recently, and as you can see, it still has even some labels, covers on that. But I noticed that whatever I do, this is how it works. Like this one is shaky, and I think it placed it in correctly. But it's still extremely flaky. And the same with the top. It's constantly getting out. It's not completely getting inside of this thing. Just let me show you. So this is just always like that since day one, and I just wanted to make sure that is this how it's supposed to be? Yeah, I just grabbed it and it immediately fell out of the socket. Also, these items constantly pop out. These small plugs. Yeah, so you see they always get out. Sorry for the shaky video, but they only need a long hand. So yeah, if I put it in, then I put this in and here. This is how it should be, I believe. But then the minute I grab it, it just immediately pops out. So do I have a defective unit, or is it supposed to be like that? Thanks.
This will not shut off. I can't change any of the tones here. Keeps giving me the same thing no matter what I do over here. None of these are active. I'm not sure what to do in this case. I have to let the battery drain. I can't shut the guitar off.